Hello, I'm Christian, the co-founder of ITeens.
And I'm Caroline, also the co-founder of ITeens.
Starting in 2020, ITeens was founded and created to assist senior citizens by teaching them technology courses.
During the COVID-19 worldwide pandemic, we saw the need to assist all of our community with their technological questions and devices.
While staying home, people rely on communication tools like Zoom and FaceTime to connect with each other, but often do not know how to effectively use them.
We do our best to help others who are not as aware of these technological resources.
So ask us questions through our website at iteens-tech.org or email us at iteens.help@gmail.com. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
Thank you so much all for coming.
We will start our presentation with today's tutorial.
Today's tutorial will be focused on the Google Suite Part 2.
Once we are done, we will move into a private one-on-one session to answer any questions.
At any point, if you are waiting to ask your question,
please be patient and we will work on getting you into a one-on-one room.
Before we start, does anyone have any questions? At this point, you can unmute yourself if you do.
We will now begin today's tutorial. Please remember to keep your mic muted and video off while we are presenting. Thank you.
Review. This is the second part of our tutorial on the Google Suite. If you would like to view the first part, which is more simple, you can view them at www.iteens-tech.org/videos or on our YouTube channel. This part of the tutorial will be more advanced and focused on the in-depth capabilities of Google Suite.
If you're wanting to insert a Google document into a Google Drive, you can do so in different ways. One way is to insert the document from the document page.
Step 1. Select on the Google Doc that you would want to add to your Google Drive.
Step 2. Click the File button in the top left-hand corner. Step 3. Then click on the Move button as one of the options.
Step 4. Select the folder that you want to insert the document. Once selected, click on Move Here to insert the document.
You might want to share a folder you have already created, so you can collaborate easier with other people.
Step 1. Navigate to your drive and double-click on one of your folders that you would like to share.
Step 2. Click the folder name, shown in blue, then click the Share button.
Step 3. You are given two options to share. Option 1, share through their Google account, and Option 2, share the link.
Step 4. Click Done or Copy Link.
Inserting a document. Here is another way to insert a document straight from the Google folder. Step 1, right-click anywhere in the folder and options will appear.
Step 2. Click on the options for Google Docs.
Step 3. Choose whether you want to make a new document or insert a document from a template, and then you're done.
To get even more organized, you can add subfolders within main folders.
Step 1. Navigate to your drive and double-click on one of your folders.
Step 2. Right-click anywhere in the folder and options will appear.
Step 3. Click the option for New Folder.
Step 4. Name your subfolder. Names can be anything, but make sure it reflects the document within the category. Then click Create.
You can repeat this process in either a main folder or subfolder multiple times to get even more organized. Then, if you share a main folder, your collaborator can get access to the subfolders within.
If you viewed our first part of this presentation, then you know the basics of navigating Google Suites. By viewing this tutorial, you now know more to effectively utilize this great tool. Thank you for joining us today. Are there any questions?